Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine and I upload on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I usually always upload on those days, so I hope you guys enjoy all the videos that I upload for you guys today. And today I have for you an drugstore look, but it's an autism awareness look because autism does run in the family. So I wanted to do a autism awareness look using this blue on my eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, if you guys want to see my autism awareness drugstore makeup look, then you have to keep on watching. Okay, loves, so let's get started with the Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay Foundation. I'm just going to apply this with a brush and then just blend it out with my Real Techniques blending brush. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild concealer. I'm going to apply this all over the eyelids. I'm just going to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. Today I'm going to be using the Beauty Glaze palette from Hush.com. I did use this palette for the Jaclyn Hill dupes video, and today I'm going to be using it again for you guys because it's affordable. You can find this on Hush.com, and I'm just going to use this white shade and just set my eyelids. So next I'm going to go in with this nice orangey copper shade, and I'm just going to blend this all over the eyelid, and this is going to be the shade I'm just going to use on my eyes for now, and then I go in later with the blue shade that you guys will see in a little while. So now I'm going to be going in with the blue. This blue was kind of tough blending it out. I wasn't expecting that, but I did have to use some spray just to get the color to just show up on the eyes. So this blue is not very pigmented in my eyes. You definitely have to use some type of spray just to get some pigments from it, but it is beautiful once you apply it to the eyes. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild concealer and the Maybelline concealer and just apply it under the eyes. I love this two combo. They just make the perfect combo for under the eyes, especially my eyes that I do have darkness. It just blends out like a breeze. It doesn't crease. This is definitely my go-to concealer combo. Next, to set all that in place, I'm going to go back into my LA Girl Pro Coverage powder, and this is in the shade Banana. This is my absolute favorite setting powder. I stopped using it for a while, but I just fell in love with it all over again. Then I'm going to be going back into the Beauty Glaze palette. I'm just going to use the same shade I use on my eyes for my under
eyes just so everything just blends in together very seamlessly. Now it's time to bronze. I'm going to be using my Neutrogena bronzer in the shade number 30. I did apply my lashes and eyeliner off camera. I always do that because it does take me a little while just to apply lashes. I am not an expert. I am still learning, but once I get it all together, I will give you guys a video. Then next I'm going to go back in with my LA powder and just carve it out so it looks more clean. And then I'm going to go back into my Profusion palette. This is my absolute favorite palette. I love the highlights. One of my highlights did break. That is why you guys saw my face like that. It just got all over my table everywhere. Like it just shattered. I'm so sad, but this is absolutely my favorite highlighters from this palette. Then next I'm just going to brush everything away and just blend everything together. And then spray my face with some coconut water. And yeah, that is the finished completed look. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.